here with Kim at the Autauga County Sunflower Field. Hey Kim, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. I'm trying to stay cool, but I'm here under the pole barn greeting everyone that's coming to visit the sunflower field. And we've been open since Saturday. It's something we've been doing for several years now. My husband is a farmer and we farm sunflowers, and we just kind of had a little blessing dropped in our lap a few years ago, and people started stopping on the side of the road over on the other side of 14 there, and it just grew into an event. And so now we invite people to come in every year and look, and they're welcome to cut as well. Take pictures. We have lots of proposals. We've even had a couple of weddings out here. So it's just become something really special in our community, and we have people from all over the state of Alabama and beyond coming at this point.
You even have some food trucks come out here too, don't you?
We do. Just at lunchtime normally, but today we actually had Maypops out of Tallahassee, Alabama. We were really excited about that. Tomorrow is Mama Laura's, and of course we always try to have a frozen treats truck. Today's OJ's, tomorrow's OJ's, and we'll even have snow biz on Sunday.
And today is Friday, July the 7th, I believe.
Yes.
And so you'll know what day it is if you see this next week, but I'm gonna have it up today. So anyway, tell me how you go about your sunflower, how people go about getting their sunflowers, taking their pictures and so forth.
Well, what you do is you park and come up here under the pole barn, and there'll be me or one of our employees, or I guess really volunteers, they're teenage family members, that will greet you and give you some instruction on where you need to go, where the best blooms are. We'll equip you with a pair of clippers and a bucket to clip those flowers with, and Todd, if he's around, he'll even give you a little lesson on what the youngest flowers and the best flowers are to clip to make sure they live as long as they can on your counter in your vase.
And you do a wagon tour, don't you?
We do. We have a wagon. We got that last year, and it was really more for people who were having problems ambulating to the field, or young children. And what we found out was that everyone likes the wagon, and that became our the biggest part of our visitors coming last year. There were many that didn't even clip flowers, but they rode the wagon. Kind of gets you up over the flowers. You can see it's covered, so it's a little cooler, and you can kind of get a bird's eye view of how big the field is from that.
Yeah, I'm going to do some drone video, and I'll show the folks exactly what they're going to get when they come out here and look. So what kind of hours do you have, Kim?
Monday through Thursday, we're here from 8 to 8. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we open at 6 a.m. and we stay till 8. If for some reason we have a lot of photographers that like to come in earlier in the morning, if they just contact us, Todd will make arrangements for them to come in. But we only open at 6, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to the public, and 8 on the other mornings.
Do you have a website?
We do, sunflowerfield.com.
Okay, and of course you have presence on Facebook.
Yes, we do. The Sunflower Field, we're on Facebook and we're on Instagram. We're blessed with a daughter who does a lot of that for us. I'm not real savvy with the Instagram, but I do some posting on Facebook, as does Todd, but our daughter does a lot of that work for us.
Tell me about these things that you have over on the tables back here.
We just came up with a few things since we don't charge admission. People were wanting to know how they could help or something they could do to contribute to our farm. So I have a tea towel that I do every year. It has a different scripture on it. I've been doing those since we went to the farmers markets and sold produce. Or you can get a packet of seeds. These are the seeds that we plant, and there's a little instruction slip in there for
how to plant sunflowers.
Yep. We've got a little magnet over there. We always do a different t-shirt every year with a different message, positive message. We've got fresh watermelon that we grow. We have cold drinks. We have Mr. Mike over here. He is our everything. He helps us a lot. He boils the peanuts here, and then he also does our kettle corn, but he does a lot more than that.
So that's the kettle corn. That's a real good popcorn?
It is.
Wow.
It is. Kind of a salty sweet.
Okay, good deal, good deal. All right. Okay, folks. You have your marching orders. Come on out to the Autauga County Sunflower Field, and you can cut the flowers. You have scissor shears.
Clippers, and they're $1 a stem, or you can get a bucket full. You can pay $12 and get 14 flowers.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, Kim. Thank you so much. I'm going to go out and drone the field now.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, what a great visit with Kim at the Autauga County Sunflower Field. I got some great videos of the sunflowers in the sunflower field, and you can do the same thing too. Take your camera, take your children, get some great up-close and personal pictures with the sunflowers. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.